everyone, welcome to Alkesh Dinesh Modi Institute. This is our segment Unfiltered with Media, presented to you by the Media Committee of our institute.
So hello sir, my name is Chaitanya Huge. I am the first year student from FIMMS doing my specialization in finance. So before going on to, would you quickly give an introduction about yourself, like which batch you were and this
Basically,
specialization?
my name is Ashutosh Pathak. I basically belongs to 1820 batch. I did my MMS from here in the finance. Part of that time entrepreneurship cell and placement cell.
Placement cell. Nice. So can you tell us a few stories about that time, like placement cell?
What type of stories you want?
Like anything, like things you remember, the stories you remember.
I remember everything. You want a gossip or you want a story?
You can tell us anything. Like it's about you sharing us.
Okay. So at a point of that time, we have faces a lot of things. We work with two different placement officers, and working with both of them is a fabulous experience. One is a sir, and then there's a Kavita ma'am came in the second year. And we also work over our second year placement, as our senior placement with a Sneha, and one is a senior as a placement head with a Sanket. It was awesome experience. And managing a class is a huge task.
Definitely. Any other fun memory you remember from your college days?
We did on a daily basis of fun. Playing a karate to bunking a class to doing everything. Stuff or sitting on the last bench and doing all the stuff. We do all the things.
So you were a backbencher totally.
No, it decide. Class is going, the backbench is the best. Class is good, and we go to the first bench and enjoy the class.
So I'll be asking you a quiz question. So I'll be giving you two names of faculties. So you have to choose one. Okay. So
That's a conspiracy theory.
no conspiracy. Just your choice. Like आपको कौन से पसंद है? So first is Abhirat sir and Kavita ma'am. Which one do you choose?
Abhirat sir.
Abhirat sir. So next is Abhirat sir and Nena ma'am.
Then
Nice. Nena ma'am and Marathi sir. Nena ma'am and Aruna ma'am.
again.
Nena ma'am and Javed sir.
Again,
Nice. So any fun memory with Nena ma'am during those times? Like,
Her class is just awesome. I have a lot of fun memories, like paper punching and a lot of events. I have a lot of photos. We do activities of organization theory by doing activity. We learned all the things. So that's my experience with her.
so there were like every batch has some of the one entertaining person in their batch. So were you the entertaining person or someone else
I am
was
not.
there?
I am not. Yes, sometimes I do, but then I am not. That person is every time is different. Sometimes it's an Anjali, sometimes it's an Avinash. So it's always a different person. He's doing that.
So after college, have you been meeting your friends a lot, like college friends? Like you have
Only few of them.
Few of them.
Meeting on every occasion.
definitely. So the last question I will ask is how was your life after ADMI, like going to corporate? Did ADMI help you in your corporate life?
So it evolved me. Not I say that everyone should be part of any committee because that involves your management skills, your crisis management skills actually. So I evolved and I learned a lot of things in those working in committees and events. And what I am using in my current organization or previous organization is the same. Because financial terms everyone learns, marketing terms everyone learns, but the thing you are doing is different from the book knowledge.
Also, one last question would be like, one advice which you would give to our juniors and like me.
The only thing that everyone should know what their strengths are before going to any company and a placement. A lot of time we don't read JD or we go for a placement, so that's a wrong idea. First decide on yourself, decide your valuation, then go for any interview. That will save your time.
So thank you so much, sir. Thank you for your time.
Thank you.